In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage team workloads in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to open the specific Asana project where you want to monitor and manage your team members. Go ahead and sign into your Asana account and navigate to the project you want to work with. You'll need this area to keep an eye on your team's workload effectively. Once you're inside the project, take a look up at the top of your project interface. You should see some View tabs. These tabs are crucial because they allow you to choose different layouts for viewing your project's tasks. You want to add the Workload view to your tabs. This is where the magic happens. The Workload view gives you a bird's-eye view of all tasks assigned to your team members. Now that you've added the Workload view, you'll be able to see each team member's tasks laid out in dedicated rows. This visualization will help you understand who's handling what and how busy each person is. It's an intuitive setup, and you'll thank yourself for utilizing it. Next, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the graph. This visual tool allows you to compare task counts against the days of the week or even the month. It's straightforward, but incredibly insightful. You can quickly spot trends such as peak workloads or those rare light weeks. If you want to delve deeper into a specific team member's responsibilities, simply click on their graph. This action will reveal detailed task data, including names, deadlines, and specific descriptions of their assignments. This is especially handy if you notice someone is getting overloaded. Speaking of overload, let's say you find out one of your team members has too much on their plate. Asana makes it easy to redistribute tasks. You can simply drag tasks across the timeline to change their due dates. This adjustment is a great way to optimize the team's schedule without missing any deadlines. You can also modify the length of the taskbars to reflect accurately the time each job requires. This means if a particular task is taking longer than anticipated, you can elongate its bar on the timeline. Conversely, if it can be completed quicker, you can shorten it as necessary. Once you've made your adjustments, take a step back and review the updated distribution. This is an important step to ensure that no single team member is currently overwhelmed. Balancing workloads is crucial for maintaining morale and productivity within the team. And there you have it. After following these steps, you should feel confident managing your team workloads in Asana effectively. This visual approach will not only help you stay organized, but also foster a better working environment for your team. So now check your results and see how your team's tasks are balanced out. As you become more familiar with the tools available in Asana, you'll find it easier to navigate and manage your projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if